Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable internet speed option in any iPhone. So if you're using any iPhone and you want to enable internet speed option, so let's see how can you easily do that. Basically there is no any official way to enable internet speed option here. So if you want to get internet speed, you must have to open up your app store and here you have to search for network speed. And once you have searched, you will get this different apps here. In my case, I'm going to install this one. Just tap on this get option and the app will be installed. Once you have installed the app, you can easily check the internet speed from here, or you can easily use the website. So you just have to search for net speed test here. And once you have searched, you will get the websites. I'm going to open this website, and here you can easily check your network speed. So here you just have to select continue on the web, then tap on this go option. And once you have that, your speed test will start it and you will get the results. So in this way, you can easily check your internet speed in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.